What's up everyone, it's Platy Show 1 and we just hit 500 subscribers. This is crazy. I think I'm at 509 at the time that this video is being uploaded. I gained 13 over the last night and yeah, it's pretty crazy. Also, I have a new top video with 30,000 views. It's the FNAF Plush episode 100. It's all the ultimate custom nights jump scares. Yeah. Ha ha ha. You thought this was the end of the video, didn't you? But there's still more to come. Ha ha. So I'm sure that you all 13 of you have seen this YouTube video from 2017 of mine where I get a totally real and definitely not fake dark play button that no one's ever heard of before. Anyway, since I just hit 500, I'm gonna 3D print my own 500 subscriber play button, and it's gonna be orange because orange is the best color. It's also going to be a montage with AWOL Nation, the buffoon, playing in the background. Hashtag not sponsored. Anyway, let's go. Alright, so this printed bad, but we have another one. Let me get that. Right here. Look at that. It's cool. 500 subscribers. Thank you so much. There's the play button. Please subscribe. We gotta get to 600.